we already put the baking soda in there. Now I think we're gonna mix the vinegar inside the water, inside this big cup.
Okay.
The volcano's right here.
That's the volcano? Okay.
And then it's just gonna, lava is just gonna pour out. And this is experiment.
Why does the lava pour out? What happens?
When the volcano explodes, when it's inside the volcano, it's called magma. And when it comes out, it's called lava.
Okay. But in the experiment, what are we adding?
With baking soda that we already put,
Okay.
water and vinegar that we did not.
Okay, so we're gonna do that now, okay? Okay, hold on. Ooh.
I can. So that we put the baking soda. We also put the vinegar. Now we're gonna put it in the volcano for it to.
Okay, you wanna put the funnel thingy? Omi, you wanna hold the funnel?
Yeah.
You're gonna put the vinegar inside the volcano?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on tight, okay? Okay, no, let's make sure it goes inside. Ready? Concentrate.
Go.
Whoa, Rumu.
Look at it.
Again. Little bit.
More.
Let's try. Oh, look at that. Volcano.
Let's put more.
Whoa.
What do you think?
Good. Looks good.
It looks good. Wow, that's just lava. It's just erupting from there.
It's a nice looking though.
Nice looking volcano.
We did this before.
I did this before. Still erupting. Omi, all the lava is erupting.
Whoa.
Wow.
I think we need more baking soda.
It's still coming. What do you think about the experiment?
It's so good.
It's so good.
I wish I could not see this.
You wish you cannot see this. Why do you wish you cannot see this? You wish you wanted to see this or you cannot?
Baba, pull the whole thing.
No, it's enough.
Nope, you have to pull the whole thing.
About the experiment.
It looks cool,
Okay.
but there's still lava pouring out.
Okay.
And it's, look at that.
Amazing.
We got this funnel. You wanna do the experiment again?
We did just now, no? It's all wet.
Again? Again, you want to do it?
You can do it again. Okay.
Now we're gonna do it again.
That's it. Say bye-bye.
No, we're gonna do
Say
it
bye,
again.
but to the video.
Bye. We're gonna do it again, but the video's done. Bye. You're here again? That's it, James. Wait, that's it.
Tell.
We guys did it again because I wanted to tell something. It was the volcano looked so cool that I wanted to go inside it.
You want to go inside the volcano? But it's going to be hot, no? Not cool. Okay. Last time, we're going to have like little more vinegar left. So we'll pour it inside the
Volcano.
funnel and then it will explode like a volcano. Are we ready? Say 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's exploding like a big blast.
The baking soda and the vinegar react and then
Whoa.
carbon dioxide comes out.